Today, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural Stitch Scale Summit. At Stitch, our mission has always been to optimize movement of money by helping businesses scale faster.
Thank you all for coming out. I think we are always honored that we're able to interact with so many folks in the industry from all sorts of spheres, whether it be from banks or startups, incumbent financial players.
Payments are at the core of the digital revolution, powering a new economy with new products, new sales channels, and new consumer experiences.
I mean, things are moving all away from cash, which is great because back in the day, I've been there so long that I remember this. We actually had a guy with a scooter that collected cash.
That's what we like about Stitch, so I've got to punch you guys. The journey that you've created in terms of what we had previously from an instant EFT journey with another provider to what you guys have brought along is really day and night.
I think first of all, we're really at the formative stages in thinking about experience between digital and online analog. And certainly from a payments perspective, payments rails for offline and for online are completely different. The experience is completely different.
The big thing of why Superbalist and Takeout Group is large is online, and why we do well is because we can offer these significant offers and discounts because we're not paying for bricks.
As consumer demand is increasing, so you get a consumer maturity, and in South Africa e-commerce really is taking off now. And because e-commerce is taking off now, you've got people that are transacting pretty much daily.
Us in the crypto space, for us to really hit critical mass and adoption, and the same for banks and telcos, right? For them to really serve what their customers are asking for, we have to collaborate, we have to partner.
It's really great to work with an up-and-coming, fast-moving fintech because we're both informing each other's roadmaps. And so it's both using knowledge but also really building a product together and building a future together.
I'm willing to spend 2 years to build that relationship because it's critical for our longevity. It's critical to show the right messaging to regulators.
You're trying to find people that are mission aligned with you, why are they in this business? What are they trying to achieve? You're trying to find product capabilities that, from a Stitch perspective, are aligned from a technical point of view, right? This is part of the education process we need to do is provide these kinds of forums to have those types of conversations where it isn't just you do this, I do this.
We've also witnessed the acceleration of digital, which has put the spotlight firmly on seamless and personalized digital experiences. Real-time connectivity, more choices, all with privacy and security built in.
The future of payments is optionality, and part of that is having a more frictionless process. But there's an opportunity cost to that.
Some of our merchants don't have enough margin for a buy now, pay later, so we will not force that on them. We would rather suggest an instant EFT where it's much cheaper, they get the right recon.
Where your brand is at as well, and how you want to position, how you secure your customers is also pivotal to them adopting the solution and just trusting you with their money.
In that context, you can set those parameters yourself about how risk tolerant are you.
A lot of ID can be tokenized in future. We're going to get to a point where your virtual identity will be something that can be stored on a secure blockchain, and it can be exchanged with parties. At this stage, you've got what you've got in your backpack, you've got your ID, it's all a PDF format, it's very unreliable, it's easily replicable.
Cybersecurity obviously is critical. Fraud protection through tokenization technology is fundamental. These advances are further transforming the digital financial services industry, where fintech players are becoming globally mainstream, and all increasing influx of non-traditional players are competing with the larger incumbents. The pandemic accelerated our embrace of digital payments, and that in turn has shifted how we think about money. Thank you very much.